Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a rocket. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First I am gonna draw the body of the rocket. After that, now let's draw the fire. Now I'm gonna draw lines and a circle on the top of the rocket. Now let's draw the fins. So now using a black marker or a black sketch or a black pen, let's draw the outline. After completing the outline, let's erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.